What's going on, guys, and welcome to Yota Xpedition. We are going to be working on improving the light output here on the bed of our 4th gen Tacoma. This also works on the 3rd gen Tundra. So the factory bed lights here on the Tundra and Tacoma, they only have 2 LEDs, so the light output isn't the greatest. We have some upgraded ones here from Yota Xpedition. These are plug and play. It's going to go right into that factory location and it's going to be much brighter. So let's go ahead and show you how to get those factory ones removed, the new ones installed, and we'll show you how much brighter these really are. All right, so when it comes to installing your new LED bed lights, it's super easy. And you're gonna be doing the same exact steps on the Tacoma as you are on the Tundra. So all you need to do is take the light, push it to one side, and it will come right out. As you can see on the side of the light, there's just like this clip that's kind of like spring loaded. So you just need to push that and pull the light out, and we'll just go ahead and unplug it. As you can see, OEM one and the Yota Xpedition one is literally the same, other than the fact that this has way more LEDs. So now we'll go ahead, plug that in. As you can see, super bright, and snap that back in place. Let's get this side done. Push it out, go ahead and unplug it, plug the new one in, snap it in place. All right, guys, there you have it. Super quick and easy install to add some extra lighting here to the bed of your Tacoma or Tundra. If you have any questions about the product or the install, make sure to drop a comment down below. And if you want to grab this for your Tacoma or Tundra, make sure to head over to our website, yotaxpedition.com. Link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.